Hi, Dr. Lynch. This is Jonathan Lusberg. This is my Redemption Slip 2. So here's your first video, the first video, Society and Schools Must Do More to Value Intentionality Workers, with Mike Rose. My comment is right here. Here you go. Here's this one. Okay. Next on my list is the Eminem video. The Eminem video. So Eminem and Writing Rhyme in English class. Here we go. My comment right here. Next one is the hour-long video. What do we know about literacy in the content areas? My comments are here. And last but not least, we have developing youth literacies, the fourth video. My comment is right here. All right, well, I thought it was very interesting to think about literacy in this manner and how words can be broken down and how we can use the disciplinary knowledge throughout, how it's important to change the way the students think, how it's a culture. Very interesting. I really enjoyed this quest. I really enjoyed this topic as well. I look forward to the third level. Thanks again.